Do you have a quick and easy spreadsheet that you can track stocks? In this video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of exactly how to build one in Google Sheets, and I'm also going to provide a completed version down below for anyone that wants to download it. Do you like Google Sheets over Excel? Let me know in the comments. My name's Nick, and welcome to Mystery of Money, the channel where I discuss relative financial topics, as well as financial concepts that you can apply to everyday life. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're looking for more videos on financial topics, consider hitting subscribe. If you get value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. Now let's get into the video. This is the finished product that we're going to make. What we're going to do is we're going to name our cells stock symbol. This is going to be purchase date, purchase price, number of shares, total investment. Fingers are fumbling around here. Current price. I'm going to have a gain, loss. All right, and we're going to do a little bit of formatting. Give this a pretty color. And we're going to build in 5 stocks. Add nice little grid lines. And then here we're going to have totals. Format this. Yeah. Okay. Now, first we're going to put in some symbols. So let's do AAPL for Apple, PWTR for Twitter. Let's do TSLA and FLX and Ford, Netflix. All right. And the purchase dates can be arbitrary. You're going to put in whatever date you bought it. So let's say we bought Apple in December of Tesla. We bought in February 2019. Netflix, April. All right. Purchase price, and some of these I'm not sure, so we're going to skip over and we're going to do the current price. The way we're going to do this, we're going to use a formula which pulls in Googlefinance. So we're going to hit the equals sign. We're going to start typing Googlefinance. Come up. When it asks for the ticker symbol, we're going to reference it by pointing here, which is the symbol. Then we're going to put the comma. The attribute, we want the price, so we're going to use comma, apostrophes, price, and enter. And there it's going to pull in the current price. Format this for currency. And then what we can do is, by taking this and dragging, it's going to reference all of these symbols with the current prices. So now we can put in here, say we bought Apple at $350. We bought 10 shares of that. Total investment is going to be equals purchase price times, which is the star key, number of shares, I'm going to do formatting again with the, oh, not this one. You can drag this down, and that'll copy the formula that we have here, and then we can fill it in. So we're going to put $38 here, and let's say we bought 1,100, 475. The price you paid would be this. The shares go in increments of 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This formatting again. All right, so there we can see what our total investment was at the current price. Now we're going to use a formula, and the way this formula is going to work, it's going to say, or we're going to type equals sign. We take the current price times the purchase price times the number of shares. Then down here, we're going to use the sum function. And see, it already populates up there. Populating it. And we don't have to do the current price or the purchase price with the sum, because they're kind of arbitrary, so we're going to leave those out. And we don't need the number of shares. We just want to see the total investment. And then the total gain and loss. The reason is to drag it. So there's the basic chart. Now what we're going to do is add some conditional formatting. I'm going to go up here and go to Format, conditional formatting. That's going to bring this rules over here. So what we want to do is we want to apply the range from G2 to G6, and we want the format to say if it is greater than 0, it's going to make it green. And then we're going to add another rule that says if it is less than 0, you're going to make it red. And now, throughout the day, this is going to update. Whatever the total price is, it's going to pull it in from the market. It is about a 15-minute lag behind online. But at the same time, I have this running on my desktop all day, so I can see how my portfolio is doing. We're going to add one more element. So we're going to do insert chart. And we want to see, we're going to do a pie chart. And we're going to do number of shares. So we can kind of see how our portfolio is broken up. And this will give you an idea of where concentrations are. And then we can add a label, which will be there. And now it shows you which shares comprise and what the symbols are. And there's a lot more things you can do with charts and build additional charts in other videos. Maybe I'll make other charts that you can see different ways. But this is the finished product, and you can format it any way you want. You can customize it. You could put a name or a chart, a legend. You could put chart title. Let's put this stock shares. And we'll format and put it in the middle. And we'll just keep it like that. And the nice thing about Google Sheets is it continues to update all the time, so you never have to worry about losing information. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you got a value out of it, please hit that like button. If there's other ideas you'd like for me to make other videos or other tutorials on Google Sheets, leave it in the comments below. If you got value from this video, I appreciate a thumbs up, hit that like button. If you have other ideas for tutorials that I can do, post it in the comment below. If you're looking for more videos like this, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, have a great day.